Alerts allow you to create condition-based criteria to be notified of low inventory via email. Find alerts in the profile bubble on the bottom left. Create a new alert and give it a name. Alerts can be set up based on quantity or for Pro and above users using estimated days of stock remaining from our stock forecast report. Here I will set up an alert to notify me when quantity reaches 5 or less, and I'll set a condition for that threshold to apply to all items in the dry goods category. You can apply multiple conditions to an alert from all of the options in this dropdown. After setting an alert, you will be notified of any products that reach the threshold from that moment onwards. Note that you won't be notified of items already in the threshold, only items that reach it from now on. Items that are within alert conditions will also show up on the low inventory report, along with any items that are below par levels. For users on professional plans and above, you can use the Auto Add Low Inventory button on purchase orders, which will pre-fill any items under par or within alert criteria to streamline ordering. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents link below. If you need additional assistance, contact our customer care team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.